So what's up guys, and welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to create this Instagram poster using Adobe Illustrator. So guys, without wasting a lot of time, let's get started. So as you can see, I've opened Adobe Illustrator, and what we are doing now, we just come here to File, New, and create a new artboard. The size will be 1080 by 1080 pixels because I want it to be a square one to be used on Instagram. And I'll just change this title to social media, and then I will use RGB color mode, and everything here will just be the way they are. Hit here and then click on create, and once you've done that, you'll be presented with this square artboard. So I'll just pick the rectangle tool and create my shape here, something like that. And then for the fill, I will use gradient, and then I'll just edit it like this to get something that I want. I make it radial, and then I will invert the gradient, and I'll click on the gradient tool again, and I'll just do some few adjustments, something like that. Wherever you're happy with, go with it. So for me, I will go with that. And then after that, I'll just select this direct selection tool, and then select one anchor point, holding down shift, and I'll just drag it like this. Cool, I like that the way it is. And then I'll just go to text tool and type here, trust your. Okay, that's one. I will duplicate this text, and of course I'll write process. Okay, I will enlarge this one, this text, something like not so big, something like that. Also this a little bit like this, and then I'll change the font family here to Nexa. I'll use this extra light, and I'll make this Nexa bold. Okay, I like the way it is. So I'll just press on my rectangle tool, Ctrl+2 to lock it, and then now I cannot move it by mistake. Cool. So this text will be there, trust your. Let's make it a little bit big, something like that. Okay, so now we are doing well. I'll select everything, and I'll change the color to white, and then I'll grab again the text tool, and this time around I won't click like that, but rather I'll just drag it, and then I'll get that dummy text. So some explanation on which kind of process are you trusting, right? Cool. And then I just realized the spacings are way too much. I think that's good, and that is good. Then I will select everything, align them to the right, nice. And then I'll select everything again and slightly slant it, good, and push it up a little bit and make them at the center of our artboard. Good. Then I will grab now our model, go to place, and then this guy is gonna be used here. I got this image from FreePic, so it is free to use, and then I'll just place him there. Okay, nice. Then the social handles, let's place, and then let's just take these guys and place them here, and then one Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter. And then I'll grab all of them, all of these guys, and put them there. And then I realize these guys are too big. I'm gonna reduce them a little bit there, so to match with the Mr. Facebook. Okay, and then I'll grab now today rounded rectangle tool, something like that. I'll go to eyedropper tool and select this color, actually this color, nice. Then I'll put it up a little bit there, and I'll remove the stroke. Just come here, remove the stroke. Cool, huh? So here I'll put the name this guy is using in the social media, the username. I will just bring it something like that, straighten these, and we are good. So there. So let's say at Eddie 254, So that's done, and I'll just put here a small dummy text here. Nice. Okay, it's about this guy. Okay, just small about this guy, and then I will say contact me, and for this I will just do something like this and change this font to some script fonts. So go script. Nice. And then the color, let's use this color here, and then let's put my contact information here. I will just put the real one, 250-717-147-007. That's my number. Not really. Okay, there. So I put there, and this one here, and boom, we have it. So now the only thing remaining are the rays. Okay, and to create the rays is very simple. Let's create them here. I'll select the pen tool and then come just like that, like this, and there, right? So let's change the color to white, the fill color to white, and then when you select this one, before we used to do like let me show you how we used to do before this Illustrator 2024. So this is our circle, something like this. Okay, so I will select this and then rotate, grab the alt, press alt, and just put it there, and let's say like 10, and create a copy, and something like that. Okay, that's one way, but with Illustrator 2024 is a little bit different. Okay, so let's enlarge these stuffs to fit something like that, because I want it to be behind this guy. So I'll do it again more and more, something like that. And then I'll select this big rectangle, come to shape builder tool, and do something like this. Remove the outward one, holding alt and just dragging like this with your mouse. Okay, just dragging like that, and I hope we have something. So let's just put this guy on top, and then this guy on top, and then this guy on top, and then this guy on top like this, and just reduce the opacity to somewhere like that. And this guy, where did he go? We have a problem here. So what we do, alternatively, we can lock them, and then we can also lock this guy, we can lock this guy, and we can lock this guy, and we can select everything and just reduce the opacity somewhere like there. Okay, so let's make it full, and why not make it white, right? Make it white and lock him. Okay, yeah, let's reduce the opacity a little bit to something like 7. Yep, 7 looks fine for me. I think now, guys, we are almost done. So let's just select this one and put it somewhere there. Mr. X was not selected, we put him there. So guys, that is it. Let me hope you have learned something, and this is our final artwork, and I hope you have learned something. Only some small correction here. We need to unlock everything, and this guy doesn't need to have that black outline. That's cool. Thank you for watching once again. See you next time.